welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's do 3 ideas to gift our friend. Let's start with the first one. For this I am selecting 2 bottle caps. I am painting one bottle cap with white chalk paint and the other one with black chalk paint. After fully drying I am applying pink chalk paint. The other half I am applying dark pink chalk paint and blending both the colors. This is water transfer sheet. I am cutting one image from it. I have pasted it with image facing downwards. Now I am pressing it with water dipped sponge. The paper has been soaked almost fully. Now I am sliding away the paper. I am drawing hearts on the black one. I am using tinted metallic red paint. With white 3D liner, I am drawing some lines. For writing the code BFF, I am using tinted metallic silver. These are circular pieces of chipboard. I am painting it with black and white paints. This is used to cover the back of bottle cap. Now I am applying varnish over both the paintings. Finally I am pasting magnets on the back side of both the bottle caps. I am using heavy gel medium. You can use glue gun as well. For packing this cute gift I am using this jewelry box for ring. I am going to cover it with this printed paper. I am removing the topmost portion from this. Now I am pasting stickers. I am placing a piece of glitter foam sheet and I am now placing my gift magnets, decorating it with colored pom-poms. I have tied it with ribbon and our cute gift is ready. Let's try out the next gift idea. For this I am using this plastic tin. I have removed the stickers. Now I am drawing heart shapes on masking tape. I am cutting it out and I am going to paste it on our plastic tin. I have pasted them randomly here and there. Next I am applying homemade gesso all over our bottle. It has dried up fully. Now I am coating it with metallic silver paint. Let it dry fully. After that, I am going to take out all the masking tapes carefully. I have taken out all the masking tapes. Now I am giving black outline to each heart with 3D liner. Now let's draw some hearts with the red 3D liner randomly here and there. Our tin is ready. Now let's transform the lid. Using craft scissors I am cutting out from glitter foam sheet and I am pasting on the side of the lid. Now let's cut out triangles from the glitter foam sheet. Let's paste it over the side of the lid. I am cutting out a circular piece of glitter foam sheet to cover the top portion of the lid. So it's like a crown. Now let's decorate this crown with mirrors. I am using craft punch to cut out foam flowers and I am pasting it on our crown. I decorated this tin with white satin ribbon. You can make a tag like this and tie it around the tin. And you can write a personalized note on that. Fill the jar with your friend's favorite chocolates and gift them. I hope you all like this cute candy jar. The next gift idea is a mini album. I'm using 5 pattern papers for that. Cutting out circles from this pattern paper. I'm creating holes using this paper punch. I'm using a binding ring to tie these papers. If you don't have binding ring, don't worry, you can use a jute thread for that. I'm pasting elements and stickers, whatever I have, to decorate this album. I'm pasting the circular ring and I have written a quote, "Friends Forever." With a foam tape, I am applying this paper doily. Using a craft scissor, I am cutting out a circle and written a beautiful quote. On the back side, I have written this quote, "Let's party," and I am going to tie this sticker. Again, I am cutting a circle with a craft scissor and I will be pasting on this side. Now I am pasting some deco stickers matching with the quote, "Let's party." This is a circle cut from golden mirror cardstock paper. This is a crown shape element cut from glitter foam sheet. Next, a sticker. Using a craft punch, I am cutting out flowers and pasting it. For the next page, I am pasting this semicircle from again this golden mirror cardstock paper. I am creating 3 tags from this cardstock paper. I am punching out holes and tying a jute thread also. I am pasting this journaling card on the next page and decorating it with paper butterflies. Shaping the circle with a craft scissor and I will be pasting it on the next page. I am adding some elements with foam tape. Finally, for the last page, I am using this paper mat and this element. You can use a jute thread like this to tie all the elements together, and it should be loose enough so that you can flip the pages. I am using a binding ring or card ring for this purpose. Circular scrapbook for friend is also ready. I hope you like this gift idea also.